Hey guys, welcome to WP Editing Tutorials, and in today's video tutorial we'll be learning how to install Intimate theme on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So firstly, we'll go to Settings and General. Now, check mark the membership option. Anyone can register and save the changes. After that, we'll go to Permalinks and set the permalink structure as the day and name, and click on Save Changes. Now we'll install the plugins. Go to Plugins, add new plugin, and click on Upload Plugin. Choose File. Now we'll be adding WP Editing main plugin. Install now. And activate the plugin after it is installed. Next, we'll install another plugin. So click on Add New, click on Upload Plugin, choose File, and DSP Login Plugin. So this is for the login feature. Click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate Plugin. Now click on Add New. We'll install no other plugins. So click on Popular. They will recommend popular plugins. Click on Installation for Elementor, Contact Form, and WordPress Security. After that, search for another plugin. One-click demo import, and click on Install Now. Okay, after they're installed, click on Install Plugins and select those plugins that needs to be activated. And in the bulk action, click on Activate and Apply. All the plugins will be now activated. Now, let's add another plugin. Click on Add New. Upload Plugin. Choose File. Now we'll be adding WP Editing Elementor Extensive Plugin. Install now. So the plugin is activated. Next, we'll add another plugin. Click on Add New and search for WP Email. You might also get recommendation from our plugin for a WP Email plugin. So this is the email template WP Email plugin. Click on Activate after the installation. Now let's install some themes. Go to Themes, add new theme, upload theme, and choose the theme. WP Editing default theme. So this is the parent theme. Click on Install Now. Okay, it is installed. Now go to the themes page again and add new theme. Choose File. Now we'll install the Intimate theme. Install now. Okay, so this is installed. So you can see our Intimate theme is installed. Click on Activate. Okay, our theme is activated. You can dismiss this message. We have already installed the plugin. Now click on the plugin and click on Import Demo Data. So this page will appear, and click on Import Widgets. Let's go to our demo data, Intimate demo template. So when you extract that file, you get this, and you need to import the widget file, and click on Continue and Import. Okay, it's imported. Now again, go to Import Demo Data. Now let's import content. Select the file and choose the XML file and click on Continue and Import. It will take some time. It's importing content. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to Pages. I think we first need to import some Git, Elementor Git. So go to Elementor, Tools, and Import and Export Git. So click on Import Git, Start Import. Select the file. It is in the same file, same directory, and choose the Git file. Next, Import. Okay, click on Enable. Now your Intimate theme Elementor Git is imported. Click on Close and go to Pages. You can see our pages have been imported. Now let's set our members pages. So edit members page. Let's open it in new tab. Okay. Now go to page type and set it as member and click on update. Next, we'll do the same for profile page. Go to profile page and edit profile page and set the page type as profile and click on update. So our members and profile page has been set. Okay, let's close this. Let's go to settings and go to reading. Now we'll set our static pages. Set the home page as home page and post page as blog page and click on save changes. Now let's go to pages. Let's check all pages. Okay, and they're all good. Now let's go to appearance and premium options, and now let's remove this default logo, regular logo. We'll set our own and remove the primary colors. So set the primary color from here, and we can add the image for the default logo. We'll need to set both original logo and the default logo to select. So let's select the original logo. So let's set this logo. Now save changes. Next we'll go to footers, and we can set the footer background color from here, text colors, everything from here, and save changes. You can also change this copyright message text from here, let's say intimate thing or anything like that, and save changes. Next we'll go to appearance, customize. Now we'll set the menus and widgets from here. Okay. Now let's go to menus first. So these are the menus. Well, first let's set this as footer menu, and the main menu we'll set it as the primary menu. Okay, let's get back. Go and publish. Okay. Now let's go to widgets and change this text to intimate theme, intimidating. Here too, intimidating. Okay, let's get back. The footer column too, it's blank, so let's add a heading. Find us on. And another widget will be adding, I think we'll need to add social icons here. So click on plus icon and look for social icons. From here you can add social icons like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The heading looks quite big. Let's change it to H4. Still big. Let's change to H5. Okay, that's good now. Now we'll add the social icons. Search for Facebook. Now we can add your Facebook link in this section. So click here and you can add the URL, profile link, and save. Similar, you can add other social icons as well, like Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Let's change the color. It's going to gray. Let's change it to white. Okay, now click on publish. I think we're done with the widgets too. Let's go back, and now let's edit the pages, 404 pages. Edit with Elementor. We'll need to change the URL, so we'll need to set the URL of your website. So let's close this. Now click on the go to homepage button and change the link to your website's URL. Now update it. Now we'll set the contact forms. So click on edit. Go to contact form and edit all those contact forms. We need to change our details. Click on mail. On the mail tab, we need to change this to and form details. So let's copy this. Now 2 will be site admin email, and this which we had just copied from, and save. Same for here. In the 2 section we'll add the site admin email, and in the from section we'll add the one that we copied. Site title and your admin email. Okay, done. I think we're all done now. Click on save. Okay, let's close them all. Now let's go to the WP Dating admin settings. We need to set some settings. If they're off, then set the force profile, force photo on. Turn them on. Free mode, let's set it to on, and gender both. Let's turn on the email message feature, enable message feature. So you can set all the settings as per your preference. Click on Save Changes. Now let's go to Activate License. You can add your license here and activate your license. And at the end, let's go to Update Database and click on Update Database button. So it's all done. So you can end the setup here, or you can also go to plugins and add new plugins for security. Add new plugin. Let's add a plugin called Hide Login for security. So let's search for Hide Login. Install this WPS Hide Login plugin and activate. After it's activated, go to Settings and Gender. And then you can see the login URL. So you can set a login URL as per your choice for the security. By default, it's a login. Let's change it to ID login, intermediate login, or anything like that, and click on Save Changes. Now your admin URL will be your site name / any slug you have added. So let's check our pages. Members pages look good. User stories, it's fine. Testimonials, they're all good. Contact us. And the profile page, they're all set. But that's all. So that is a station process. Thanks for watching.